Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is July 30th, and I wanted to make another video here for you today. If you were watching our videos yesterday, you know it had been a while since we'd made a video, and I'm committed to trying to get back in line with making these videos. We've been very busy with our Top Step Trader program rollout, and this has been a very busy time for us, which is a good thing, right? And that's the good news. The bad news is it did preclude us from making some videos. But like I said, I am committed to getting back into the groove here of making these videos. So let's talk about where we are today. We're going to start with the CL here today. The CL was actually both markets here. And let me do this. Let me come back here, and you can see from the price ladders up here that these were a very good day for us here today. It was $710 on the CL one lot. And it was a one lot trade that got us up over and recovered our losses from our first trade on the ES. We'll talk about that here in just a second. But right now, when we opened here today, we were opening below the 4-day range that we had been in, as represented here by these green dots. Also, we were trading below the developing value area. And so we were trading below the 4-day value area, and we were trading below this developing value area. Really gave us a good sense that the market was going to be looking down. So market opens up here. I'm going to turn on the overnight levels here. Market opens up, sells off down to 17, pulls back up into this developing value area low. We got right in underneath our structure target here, this support / resistance area. This is where we end up getting in, and we end up carrying it all the way down to this RTH target 1 at 59. That was our target from 34 was the entry all the way down to 59 for 71 ticks. It was a very good, very lucrative, really no heat type trade on the CL. Very nice opportunity there today. 71 ticks with an 11 tick stop is right at 7-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So again, very nice reward to risk ratio there on the CL. On the ES today, as we got into the open here, market opens, this is your RTH signal, comes down. We were looking short below the developing value area at 16. I ended up getting popped out on a stop, and I inadvertently was on 2 lots. I only meant to be on 1 lot, but I ended up on 2 lots, and I ended up taking a full stop on 2 lots, which hurt just a little bit, right? That extra lot hurt us just a little bit. We immediately get back in after the stop when we could not make it any higher. We only made it a little bit over a point from our stop. We immediately get back in at 16. Now, I got in ahead of our market maker level here, this RTH signal, and I did that for a reason. There was enough room from the entry at 16 down to this 1275 where the RTH signal was, that I thought we were going to continue that push to the downside. But if we didn't, it gave me an opportunity, would have given me an opportunity to get out safe. As luck would have it, we did go ahead and flush through it. And the reason that I did not get in here is there was not enough room here. I really didn't feel comfortable with this developing value area low. And I wanted to with this 3-day composite value area low here, I really wanted a bigger push down into that in case we had to rotate around that for a minute. And so that was the logic. It cost me on the first trade because I did take a stop. The second trade, however, as you can see, really ran all the way down to 95. Our target was this 93 area down below. Ran down to 95, and I get stopped out at 32.00 half for a 15.5 point 1 lot ES trade. So again, that first trade took me out. I was in on 2 lots. Really didn't mean to be in on 2 lots. And so I took a taller stop on 2 lots than I would like to. That second time in, though, I did adjust the lot size down to 1, and we were able to ride it for 15.5 points, which is 62 ticks. We had a 12 tick stop, so just about 5-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So I'm going to do what I always do here. You're going to see the video. You're going to see me get into the CL trade. You're going to see me get into the ES trade. You're going to see it stop out. And then even though there was a little bit of time between the stop out and the re-entry on the video, it's going to roll right into the next entry. You're going to see me re-enter there at 16, and then you're going to see both of these trades get sped up. I chop them down just a little bit, speed them up, put a little music behind it, and then you'll get to see where we get taken out, and you'll be able to match that up with the price ladders that you see here on your screen. Now, So again, as always, I want to say thank you for watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And here is, without further ado, the OTG trade of the day. There is 34. I'm going to bring it down one tick to 34, and I'm in at 34. The stop here is going to be above the RTH target at 45. In at 16. The stop here is 19, and the target on the ES is that developing value area low down around 0807 here. So I'm in at 16 on the ES, and the stop here will be 19 again, and the target underneath you here is 08 at a minimum.